Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make saved new collections on TikTok. So what you can do is you're just going to save this video, for instance. So press the bookmark button and then press manage to add it to favorites. Name a new collection. For instance, I'm going to name mine food, and I'm just going to save that. I'm then going to go to profile, go to saved right here. And then as you can see, there are a few videos. And for instance, I want to save like this chicken video to that collection. So I'm just going to select it. Then I'm going to select the save button again and select it again. Select manage and select the food one. Or you can go to collections here, go to food, go to manage videos and add videos from your saved videos. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!